will introduce our golf cart battery structure to show you the inside and the case on the outside to show you. Okay, now come to see. Yeah, this is a metal case and all the connectors and the port, the communication port is all in one side. And this is a positive connector and this is a negative connector. And here has two parts of the communication port and for communication port. And one is for the golf cart controller and one is for the LED display to show all the information about the batteries. Okay, now I will open the battery case to show the structure of the battery. Yeah, this one is 51.2 watts with 100 amps. Yeah, this is a capacity with 5,120 watts. Okay, and this battery can support Bluetooth communication. You can show the information on the app Bluetooth. Okay. Now I open to show you the inside of the structure. Yeah, this battery with 16 sets of the battery cells for 51.2 wattage. Okay, and you can see here don't have any cables. And with a beautiful design, this is the materials FPC to instead of the cables. So here is very beautiful. This is already collect all the information for the battery cells. Okay, and to this side here, inside here, yeah, this is a BMS management for the battery. Yeah, okay, yes, okay, and this battery with very strong protection for the battery module, and this two side with terminal for a metal terminal, and they run with a metal belt to protect the battery module. And this battery cell can working for 10 years above, yeah, without any problems for the battery cells. Okay, yeah, this is the whole structure for the inside. And this battery you can customize for different wattage and different capacity for different model of the golf carts. Yeah, welcome you choose our list to customize for your brand. Thank you.